In this lesson, we will discuss how to manage categorical data. Sometimes in our project, we have a categorical data. So here I will explain to you that how we handle the categorical data. See what is the meaning of categories. Here I have made two examples. One is for color. See, these are the categories of the color. We can have red color, blue color, green color, black, yellow, and so on. Similarly, whether we have a cloudy, rainy, sunny, hot, whatever you want. Here I have written three, but you can apply the same concept if you have more categories. So for color, I will explain to you, and this one is your practice work. For weather, you have to perform the same thing. In this way, you will learn more. So see here, suppose this is our column in which we have different categories. So first of all, you have to see how many categories you have. Red means this is the one category. You do not have to count two. Blue is one, and then green. It means we have three different categories. So you have to write down red, blue, and green. How to handle the categorical data? Actually, we transform the categorical data into binary function. Binary means 0 and 1, right? So there are three different methods. One is called the one hot encoding scheme. Second is dummy coding scheme, and then effect coding scheme. I will explain to you. All are very easy. First is the one hot encoding scheme. So there are three categories. It means n is equal to 3. You can say m or whatever is equal to 3 because we have three categories. Right now you have to read like this red with this red first, and then red and blue, red and green, and then for the second and third rows as well. So if we have both red, if we have both same, then we have to write down 1. If these are different, just like red, so 1, red, blue, 0, red, green, 0. Similarly, red will remains the same for blue, and then you have to read blue and red. Blue, red, 0, blue, 1. If you have same here, same column, same row, then 1, otherwise 0. Similarly, green is 1, otherwise green, red, and green, blue, these are 0. This is the one hot encoding scheme, how we can convert into binary system. Now is the dummy coding scheme. In dummy coding scheme, what you have to do, see here we have n is equal to 3, so we have to drop. It will be n minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 1. It means we have to drop one column. So now the question is which column we have to drop, first or last. It's up to you. If you want, you can drop the first one, or if you want, you can drop the last one. I will show you what is the result one by one. First, I will drop this red one. If I will drop the red, so we have blue and green, and the same thing you have to do. If both are same, then 1. If both are different, red and blue, 0. Right? Red and blue, 0. Blue and blue, 1. Same thing you have to do here. In this case, I have dropped green, so we have red and blue. So here, same thing, red and red, 1. Red and blue, 0. So this is called the dummy coding scheme. We have to drop one column, either side, from left side or right side you can drop. Now third is effect coding scheme. So you can say it is the sequence. First this, and then this. Effect coding scheme is the easiest one, in which what you have to do, take these two scenarios, right? If you have 0, 0, both are 0, 0, instead of writing 0, 0, you have to write down -1, -1, -1. When? If these both are 0. If these two are not 0, see 1, 0, 1, so you have to write down as it is, as it is. Right, only this is the difference here. 0, 0, 0, 0, see they both are 0, means -1, -1, other will remains the same. So I hope how to manage categorical data is clear to you. One hot encoding scheme, dummy coding scheme, effect coding scheme. Now your job is you have to perform the same function on weather. In this way you will learn more. Please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.